Hey guys, welcome back. You're watching Delights Galore. Happy UA National Day to everyone. We are celebrating the 49th UA National Day here. So today I decided to do a sketch of His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founder of the United Arab Emirates. So let's start. So guys, I'm going to start drawing. Here again I'm going to be using an HB pencil. I normally use HB pencils only. And again I'm going to be using a picture for reference. So let's start. This is not going to be pencil shading or those detailed pictures that I usually draw. This is going to be more of like an illustration. So guys, I'm pretty much done with the outline. Next I'm going to go right into the face. I think his face is going to be a bit tricky, but I also think it's going to be easy at the same time for some reason. Let's find out. I would say that Sheikh Zayed has a longer face. And I feel like the most prominent features here would be making those arched eyebrows look prominent, then the eyes small, and that beard and the nose. I feel like those are the parts where you should give more importance when you're drawing Sheikh Zayed. Sheikh Zayed is the founder of the United Arab Emirates, and he's also a very great leader. He plays a major role in the success of the United Arab Emirates. So guys, I finished drawing Sheikh Zayed's face. Next, I thought of drawing a UAE flag underneath, so it'll look really good. So next, below it I'll just use some calligraphy and write down 49th UAE National Day. It's okay if you guys don't know calligraphy, because it's really easy. All you have to do is you use your pencil and just write down how you usually write things in your notebook, and then you can use a marker or something and just go over it. Then try darkening it and adding a bit more highlights to it to make it look much more prettier. Or just follow your own style, it'll look really nice. I usually follow my own style for calligraphy because I haven't studied every letters of any particular set. So let's start. Guys, a way to upgrade your picture would be to include Arabic calligraphy in it. Since Arabic is the mother tongue, it would really look beautiful, and Arabic calligraphy is just so beautiful and it looks really good. So you just have to go and search up in Google for UAE National Day Arabic calligraphy, and try to understand the meanings of it. Search up in Google Translate and then try to do it. And if you're sure about it, then do try it out because it's really fun. Okay, so I'm done with the overall outline and everything. Next is to fill this with colors. So let's start. But before you fill in, you're going to outline everything. If you don't have a black pen, don't worry, you can go ahead and fill it with black color pencil or black markers, anything that is black. After you finish outlining the drawing, you're going to erase the pencil marks. Then you'll start coloring or shading. It's up to you. But if you plan on shading with a pencil, not color pencil, then you can directly go on and shade. Don't outline it with a pencil. I would recommend that you use other shades too. For example, on the skin you can use a peach, a golden shade of brown, a light orchid color at some places, because it will give a more beautiful texture to the skin. So guys, I've provided a peach base here. Next, I'm going to use different colors for giving a good effect there, like light brown, a goldenish brown. I actually don't know the exact names, but let's just go with it, okay? My favorite would be this color because it really gives a lot of effect to the skin. I'd recommend that at the edges here, at these parts, you can give a more darker shade because that's where the hair usually stands in, and there, because of the cloth, there will be some shadow that's casted there, so it look really good. And from the light that falls on the surfaces that are more exposed to us, that's where it should be more light. Example here, then here, then on the nose bridge, and at the center of the forehead. So guys, we are done with the face. Next is a headscarf. Shade it and give it a few textures here and there to make it look a bit more amazing. Try imagining the place from which the light will fall. Just try imagining the actual face of a person and a light source close to it. Then you'll get the idea of where you should shade and where you should keep it light. Okay guys, next is the UA flag. The flag of the UA consists of 4 colors: red, green, white and black, and these colors together represents the unity of the Arabs. The flag was actually designed by Abdullah Muhammad Al-Maina when he saw an advertisement for a competition for designing the flag, and he won the competition with his design. So guys, I'm done with my drawing of His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. It looks pretty good to me. So guys, this is my drawing in full view. I've actually done another drawing also. It represents the Emirati culture. This is Arabic calligraphy, and this is just the UAE National Day. Then there is a craft that I've made for this day as well. It's a wall hanging. It's actually an idea that our art teacher gave me. Came out really well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And I want to wish you all a happy UAE National Day, and may this National Day fill your lives with joy and prosperity. Bye.